ETFs to buy in January 2023. My top 2 ETFs to buy in February of 2023. What are those? Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology on this channel, and in this video I'll be talking about 2 ETFs which are on my list to buy in February of 2023. So the first ETF is Vanguard Growth ETF or the VUG, and this is basically the highest growth ETF if you look at from the assets part. It has a large holding of assets as well as a large holding in all of the top companies. So the top 10 holdings in this ETF are basically large mega cap companies such as Apple, Tesla, Visa, Alphabet, as well as I think there was another Microsoft and Amazon also. So all of these mega cap companies are into the Vanguard ETF, and basically it consists of 46.6% of the Vanguard ETF, which surprisingly, because it has only 247 stocks and these 10 mega cap companies own 46.6% of the ETF. And basically this is for long-term investors because these companies give you usually profits into the long term, which is around like 2-3 years or 5 years after you invest into them. There's also some small cap stocks on that which is a dicey situation, because either the stocks can usually go high into the long term or like the stocks can crash and the companies may be shut down. But these blue chip stocks take majority of the of this ETF, so you are like safe in term of investment if you are investing it for the long term only. The second ETF is the ARK Innovation ETF. Now this ETF does not contain many big companies but usually small companies with high risk, high reward thing. So if you are someone who is looking for the short term part, I think this ETF will be for you. Talking about expense ratio now, so Vanguard has expense ratio of 0.04%, but ARK has expense ratio of 0.75%. That is why I'm saying high risk, high reward. 0.75% is very I think high for an expense ratio, because usually mutual funds ask that amount of expense ratio. So expense ratio is basically how much you're paying to the, like for example someone has an ETF, how much you are paying them to manage the ETF, as simple as that. So 0.04% of the current ETF which you bought, you will be paying that per year to the person who is managing the ETF. So 0.75% per year has to be given to someone who is managing ARK. So I just explained to you into a simple terms what expense ratio is. If you do not want to, like if you want to go into detail, there separate videos I have posted on that. So basically these two were the ETFs which I am thinking of investing into the February 2023. When I will invest into them, I'll be showing you my portfolio of that, so please stay tuned. And and do like the video if you like it, and more educational content is coming your way. So इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।